good morning to everyone. God bless you guys. This morning I want to make some muffin egg, guys, and I want to share it with you guys. So guys, this is everything that I'm going to use to make my muffin eggs. Okay, I'm going to use 4 eggs. I'm going to use some Mexican mixed cheese. I'm going to use some scallion. I'm going to use some sweet pepper, some bell pepper, different color. I'm going to use some bacon, heavy cream, and some butter. All right, let's start. Now guys, I'm gonna put a pinch of salt. Okay, so this is the black pepper, guys. All right, so I'm gonna put a pinch of black pepper, not a lot, just a pinch, in my eggs. Okay, and then I'm gonna put a pinch of salt. Here it is, just a pinch of salt, just for the flavor, guys, because the bacon already having a lot of salt. So you just want to put a pinch of salt. And now I'm going to throw my heavy cream in. Not all of it. Okay. Now we're going to mix. Alright guys, so what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to put this aside. Put all of these aside, guys. We want to put these aside because we're going to cut up our scallion. Okay, so let us cut up our scallion, guys. Okay, we're going to cut up our scallion. Okay, in small pieces. Okay, guys, be careful with the knife. Guys, you definitely want to make sure you oil your pan with some butter. Okay, and you can use some oil too, but I like to use the butter. Okay, because what happens is if you don't use the butter, it's gonna stick. Your egg's gonna stick in the pan. Okay, so use some butter or some oil and oil it. Okay, better. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna throw my eggs. You're gonna throw some white stuff. Those are the cheese. But whatever I said before, you can put your cheese in the pan. Just put the cheese in the pan like that, and your vegetable. But for me, I like the cheese. Put the cheese in the egg like this. Okay. So now I'm gonna put on my topping and my eggs. The other one looks full up. All right, so I'm gonna put three of them just bacon, because I know my baby is not gonna eat all that vegetable in the eggs. I should put more in them, so let me put some more in this one. That one I should put more in that one too. All right, guys. So I'm gonna put some. So all of these is just the bacon side for my babies. Now I'm gonna put for me. Guys, look at these. Ooh. I just can't wait to taste these, guys. I just cannot wait to taste these. La 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 la. I just cannot wait, guys, to taste these. I just cannot wait. I just cannot wait. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm stuffing them with all of these amazing season. La 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 la. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put this. Alright, and that means the oven ready for me, guys. That nice mean the oven ready for me. Alright. Okay guys, I'm gonna stuck them in the oven, guys, for around 15 minutes, and then once I take it out the oven, I'll show you how it looks. Alright guys, see you shortly. So this is the egg. I just took it from out the oven. It was in the oven for about 15 minutes. So I just remove it. So I'm going to remove it from the pan. Alright. Alright guys, so this is my muffin eggs, guys. Alright, it's finished. Ready to eat, guys. Ready to eat. Okay guys. So guys, if you watched the video and you like, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, share if you like. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.